Ginger, and this is my first summer at DelGrosso's. I'm working at Murph's Kitchen, and my favorite part of working at DelGrosso's is the people. I'm very much so enjoying getting to know the DelGrosso family, getting to know all of the employees that work here. I appreciate the fact that there is such a level of pride and professionalism. I have enjoyed all of the delicious food. I have enjoyed serving the customers, and I have enjoyed working with my team. I would absolutely enthusiastically say, please consider applying at DelGrosso's. It's a wonderful summer job. It's exciting, it's never boring, it's filled with lots of wonderful people. It offers you many opportunities to learn new skills, to grow, to eat wonderful food. It's a great way to spend your summer.